Hi everyone, this is Brad. In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at Google's ImageFX, where you can transform your thoughts and words into an image. So we're going to go ahead and select it. And now we're going to come right over in here, and I'm just going to paste this in. You can see your options down in here, but let's just go ahead and select Create. Now give it a little bit of time, but what you're going to notice Philadelphia Eagles, Los Angeles Rams, football, snowy, and cartoon. Now this will be created over here on the right. But you can go ahead and select, and you can see, I mean, look at that. How cool is that? It even had, pretty cool. Now, they did spell financial incorrectly, so you'd want to go back and take a look at that. But if you want to share this, what you can do, one, you can download it. So it's just going to download to your computer. You can give a thumbs up, thumbs down. If you select right in here, you can copy a share link. You can flag the output. But also notice that you could change it to sunny, and instead of a cartoon, impressionistic. And let's have them playing soccer. Let's see what happens. So you can see the creativity that this would bring about. Really fun to show your students. Now, please note that this cannot be used in a Google playing soccer, and you can see, oh, that's kind of fun. For students, just to show you what would happen, is it is unavailable for Google Workspace as they are under the age of 18. So just wanted to point that out, but would be helpful for you as a teacher or whatever else you're using it for. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.